I am so excited to do this unboxing. I have some exciting new products to show you, some of our brand new skincare products that just dropped, and some of our older ones that you probably didn't even know we had. So let's get started. Okay, my first and most favorite toothpaste that I got a great review on at my last dentist appointment I used was this microbiome toothpaste. Now this has probiotics in it, and it has a special whitening agent in it, and it has prebiotics in it. And she asked me, the dentist did, ask me if I was using some whitening system on my teeth, and I said, no, I'm just using my toothpaste. And she said that my gums were in great condition and my teeth were super white. So that was exciting. Next, I have my Rice Water Bright. I love this Rice Water Bright foaming cleanser. I use it every morning to cleanse off the oil and the grime off my face, and it's a foaming cleanser. And the next item I have is my Love Highbrow Tinted Brow Gel. I love this stuff. This brow gel. I also wear an eyebrow pencil, but I like to keep my eyebrows in place, and this Highbrow High Gel really finishes up the look of your eyebrows. And it comes in 4 shades. Comes in blonde, medium brown, soft brown, and brown black. Next, if you haven't tried the Cushion foundation, I strongly recommend that you just give it a shot. I didn't think I was going to like it at first. I absolutely love this foundation. It has a cushion sponge in it. Let me just show you right here. And it comes with a sponge that you just press it in there, an applicator. So, but I prefer to use the brush when I apply mine, but you can use the applicator. And the shade is the perfect match for me. I absolutely love this. Now the shades are incredible. Now you can use the try-on tool to make sure that you choose the right shade that's closest to your complexion. The try-on tool is on my website. I love this, and I probably won't go back to the old foundation because this is so fun to use, and it's easy. It doesn't even look like you have foundation on. And by the way, you know what, you guys, I absolutely love playing with these products. Now with my $30 makeup purchase, I received this free lip conditioner. I love my lip conditioner. I wear this in the morning before I put my makeup on, and I wear it at night before I go to bed. And this, you're gonna notice a difference in the way your lips look and feel. The next product I have to show you, 2 brand new products. Let's see here. We've got our most advanced wrinkle fighter ever. This is the new clinical line eraser with retinol. It has 1.0% advanced retinol serum. Now I can't wait to try this. I haven't tried it yet, and I'll let you know, but I know I'm going to like it because I loved the other line eraser before. So I know this is going to probably be even better because it's new and improved. And I've got samples, you guys. If you want samples, let me know. I'll be happy to get those to you. Also, this is exciting. This is a brand new product too, and it's called the Oil Rewind Rollerball. So if you do live videos, you do videos or whatever, and you have to look perfect, you don't want any shine, you want to make sure that you have no shine anywhere while you're doing your videos, then this is the product you're going to want. It's a must-have. This is incredible. I tried it on my last video, and I had some shine on my nose and on my forehead, and I just love this. It takes a shine right away. This is amazing. And here is the roller ball. This is what it looks like. So what you would do is just rub it across your forehead or wherever you may have some oil or some shine, like maybe on your nose, and it soaks it right up. It just takes it right away. And I just love this. I absolutely love this, and I'm excited about this. So this is going to be something that you can, it's small enough you can carry it with you. You can throw it in your handbag and, you know, use it for those last minute touch-ups so that you're not all shiny. And this is going to be great for summer too. I'm excited about this. And my next item that I was really low on was my pressed powder. So I thought I would give this one a try. I haven't tried this one before. And this one is called Real Matte Veritable. And I'm going to give it a shot, and I'll let you know how I like this. This is the new color trend, and I'm excited to give it a try. So we'll see what it looks like. See if it's going to work. So this, well, let me just show you. This is the color it actually is called Fair. Now, they were out of the couple shades that I wanted to try, but I think this one's going to work because this one is close to the one that I had before that I was out of. The other one that I had that I was using was the FMG powder. And so I'll let you know how that's all going to work. And that's about all I have for today. And you know, you guys, stay tuned, and we will talk more about these new products in detail. And have a great rest of your Wednesday. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye, guys.